This video will teach you how to make spreadsheets and tables in C++. The video will be short. The things we will make will be simple, but this is C++. C++ can be used to make simple things, and it can also make very complex things. Now you cannot do this in Google Sheets or in Excel. I made a web program. You'll need a browser to access the program. It's on the website. Now the question is, where is the website? And the answer depends on who you are. If you are one of my students, and if you are in a class that needs these C++ tables, then I have sent you the link. Otherwise, this is the link. You need to log in, which is easy if you have an account. If you do not have an account, it is easy to make. Make sure you are signed in. We must go to this link New to create our first table. We need to choose the name. We'll choose the name Addition of Numbers. Now these tables have three major components. They are the input table, the C++ code, and the output table. The input table is the most visible one. It has 20 rows and 20 columns. You need to scroll to see all of them. We are making our simplest program. We'll only fill out the two cells. We'll put 51 in the first cell and 21.8 in the second. We will make a program that adds these two numbers. Then we'll go to this second component, which is the C++ code. Our program has access to the input table and the output table. The input table is called A, the output table is called B. We write the C++ instruction that adds the two numbers, and since this is C++, the instruction must end in semicolon. Click on Save Update. The file Addition of Numbers that contains the table and the C++ code is now saved in the memory. And finally, it's time to execute the code. We click on this button and we will see the amazing results. There is output table, input table, and the C++ code that we have written. Let's go back to the main page with tables. This time we will click on the link Saved and we will navigate through, at the moment, very simple folder structure, and we can get to our table that we have created. It's time to make a new table. We'll start by changing the name. In this Save As field, we will call it Addition and Subtraction. We'll keep the same input matrix, and we will change the C++ code. We will add one more instruction. The field 10 of the output matrix will now contain the difference between the cells. And then we will update the table. This is saved, and now we will click on to calculate and display the result. And we will see that the new output table has both the sum and the difference of the two numbers. Finally, when we go back to the main menu and look at saved tables, we see that there are two of them.